Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial, and today we are going to create a Streamlit web applications that is going to predict our stock market. And as you can see, this is it's our project is gonna be, and as you can see here, this is stock price analysis and some sidebar here, and each values can be interactive like that. So if you you apply those sidebar filters and it will give you what you want for. So this is a view of our application, and we're going to create something like this using uh, stock market data. So this is a CSV file that has columns of date, symbol date, open, high, low, cross adjustment, volumes, rate, and coefficient. So is our columns with its rows, which contains columns data. So we're going to use this, and of course this is our folder that we can use, and we already have our stock CSV files on our directory where we're going to create our project. So here we are. So this is our Visual Studio, as we've already opened the Visual Studio, and you can see here the files are here. So we're going here to create a Python file which we're going to call stock.py, and we are going to implement. So before we play some codes, and let's test if our StreamRead library uh, is already installed. So we're going to install all our library here. So StreamRead library, let's try to run it. StreamRead stock.py. So we're gonna run it. Sorry, I have StreamRead run stock.py. So we try to run this, and it will appear here, but it has nothing from within. So we are going to create something here. So if you don't have Streamlit, I will command you to install it. So you can install pip install Streamlit. If you don't have it, it will come, but me, I've already have it, so all requirements are already certified. But you can install it pandas and plotty. So we're going to use Streamlit pandas and plotty for our mathematical predictions and data. So we're going to take down this terminal, and we're going to write now codes. So we're going to import Streamlit as SD, and we're going to import pandas as BD, and we're going to import plotly express this as PX, and we're going to import plotly plotly graph objects as Go. So after import these low libraries that we have, we are going now to read the data from CSV file. So let me write here a comment like going to read data from our CSV file. So let's create here a variable which we're going to call it file path is equal to. So here we're going to write our file. So it's already in our directory. So we're going to write stock. We're going to write stock dot. We're going to write here stock. We're going to write here stock dot CSV. Okay, so this is our file which is already here. Stock. We write exactly the name as it is. After there, we are going to read our data. So we're going to write define is equal to another variable and PD. So this is a library which is pandas library that lived in analyzing CSV data, so CSV file. So read CSV and file path. So we already have our file path here, and we're going to use the variable we have, which is file path. So after there, we're going to another performance, which it's going to streamlit up title. So we are going to write. So after that, we're going to write a title here. Let me show you. We're going to write the title, which is stock price analysis. So let's come and write here. So here's our streamlit title. So in the streamlit title, we use streamlit library, which is the streamlit title. Streamlit title. So this is your libraries contain methods that display title. So we're going to write stock analysis. Stock data analysis. Let me put it way so okay. So that's the title. So also we're going to write some paragraphs here. We're going to see dot write. We're going to write maybe like like welcome to our stock data analysis. Right, yeah. Up. Let me add here and another line here. Okay, this hub provides insights to stock data. So continue and continue if you really have other. So after here, after writing our title, we are going to write the sidebars. So st dot sidebar, another library. So in this sidebar, we're going to write sidebar header first. So it, use our header here, and we will write data exploration. So that's our header. So um, if you look here at our header here, you can see there is data exploration. So let's go continue. After writing our sidebar, we're going to another sidebar. Changes we're going to basic status the numerical columns. So we write st dot sidebar, then checkbox. So we're going to use checkbox. So this is one of thing we're going to use. It's checkbox. So checkbox, as you can see, we're going to use this checkbox here. This checkbox here. So we're going to show basic statistic and show first low without all. So checkbox here, then we can write then show basic statistics, for example. Okay, after there, we're going. So this it's for another sidebar. You can say sidebar, subheader. You know, subheader. Then we're gonna write also basic statistics. And finishing up with instead of weight, streamlit weight. Then we're going to define and describe. Method. So let's repeat this. There's a confusion here. So we can write if st dot sidebar. Let's try to if st dot sidebar checkbox. The checkbox, okay, to show basic statistics. St subheader basic statistics. NSD dot weight. Lead data. So this diff its lead CSV file. So it's a variable that we implemented there. So d dot describe. So you have to describe the df as we. So after there, so Python is case sensitive in case it doesn't ignore space. So white space it's also a syntax in Python. So you have to be careful when come to space, white space. So if also st dot sidebar, again checkbox, again we're going to use checkbox, so it state that show filter laws. So it's going to filter laws here, and another est dot subheader yake. It's subheader and it's going to write first row of data. Then we're going to implement st right div dot head. So what is a head? What is head and describe? So these are the streamlit libraries or methods that every streamlit has its own performance. They describe that it can describe the CSV file data, and the header it describe the first data of the CSV file. So another, so we continue with another main content. So we're going to the main content. The main content. So the main content here we're going to write st dot header. Here we're gonna write data visualization, and here in the data visualization we're going to write charts. So first charts it's line chart. So we're going to write a sub header for the line chart. So st then sub header, then we'll write a volume of stocks, volume of stock, or may I can say stock plate, stock price trending over time. Then we're going to fig. So we're going to introduce another line which is figure. The line figure is equal to px dot line. So this it's a panda. It's a that plot here. It's a plot. So here we're going to use plot to write those graphs, and we're gonna put px right. So to light a brain, which it is, it will lead from CSV, and it's going to use x is equal to date. So if you see here in our CSV file we've column like date, open, high, and so many. So we're going to use date, we're going to use open, we're going to use high, low, and cross. So let's write x is equal to date, x-axis, and sorry, date, and our y is equal to so in a y we're going to use open, high, we're going to use low, we're going to use cross, then we're going to write title of the graph, we're going to use its stock prices, trends, over time. After there, you're going to write st dot plot chart figurine. So before we finish, let's try to run our app. Let's clear here and let's try to run our app. So for where we reached, at least our the things that we wrote, you can see them here, and okay, so machine is too slow and it's trying to catch up as you're waiting for it to. Okay, so as you can see, still running, it's still displaying a graph here. We're waiting, but we already display our filtered law and the basic statistics. As you can see, already filtered, and here